Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Life with Marianne and Joe. And for those of you that don't know, my name is Joe. And if you just stumbled on me, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and send me a comment and check out all of my Christmas decor because I guess that's why you're here. You're looking for Christmas things. And I think I deliver on the Christmas stuff. So anyway, today we are going to be completing the 12-foot tree that's in the entrance foyer. So I had a video up the other day and prepping the 12-foot tree, and I include a little bit of that in this video, really sped up, because what I have to do is I put a lot of ornaments in the tree to add depth to the tree. So I put red, silver, and green ornaments on the inside of the tree. Now on the outside of this tree, this is our traditional tree. This is the tree that has all the ornaments that we've collected from when we were kids, and from when we've been married, and things that are very special to us. So that's what's on this tree. So this is unlike any of the other trees that I normally do, which is more theme based. The theme of this tree is tradition and Christmas and family and things that make us cry and things that make us laugh and things that bring back memories that we'll never forget, hopefully, for the rest of our lives. It has so many, it's like a bittersweet thing. We look at something, we remember it, and then it might bring a tear to our eyes. So there are a lot of ornaments on this tree, a lot. So I'll try to talk you through a little bit what we do. So let's get going rather than yapping here. All right, so here's the sped up portion of what I did. Here's the tree. I put twinkling lights on it. Then I added in red ornaments, and I added in green ornaments, and I added in silver ornaments to give depth and texture to the tree. So, I mean, this is a big tree, so you need a lot of stuff to fill it up. And here that is the insides all filled up nicely. Okay, and here are some of the ornaments that we are going to be putting on the tree, and I'll make another video of Marianne describing them. Marianne had her wisdom teeth pulled out, so she really couldn't talk today, so that's why we didn't do the video like we usually do with her explaining everything as we're taking it out. But as soon as she's feeling a little bit better, we will be doing that video because she loves describing everything for you. Okay, so this is what it looks like when just our specialty ornaments are on the tree. And all of these have a story, and they all have a meaning, and they all are very, very important to us. So that's what goes on first. Like Marianne says, she needs her prime spots in order to put those ornaments on first, and then I can use all the filler stuff that I need to do to make the tree look nice and full. This needs to be a pow when you walk in the door. So already you can see there are a lot of ornaments on this tree already. Next will be the shiny bright ornaments. Those are original shiny brights. Okay, I'm breaking in at this point because I wanted to explain what happened. So last night, finished putting on the specialty ornaments and then finished putting on most of the shiny brights. And then I got up early this morning and I continued putting the shiny brights on. But when I looked at the tree, it didn't look full enough. It didn't give me that pow that I look for when you come through the front door and you see the tree. So what I then decided to do was to take red ribbon, because I have a lot of red going on this year, and I made 12-inch pieces and I looped them, and I took floral wire and tied it and then made like a peg that I was going to put it into the tree, so that it would look like there's ribbon running through the tree. Now last year I did put ribbon on the tree, but it got in the way when we were putting the ornaments on. So I said to myself, I'm not going to do ribbon this year because it was getting in the way. So, but then it looked like it was missing something. So I did that and it still didn't look right. So then Marianne came in and I said, what do you think? So she said, well, maybe we can hang some white beads on there. So I said, okay, that's a good idea because I like that drippy kind of a look. And I have white beads going on in other places in the foyer, so I wanted to tie it all together. In the meantime, I also found some icicles that were whitish looking, and so I put those on the tree because I like that look, and then I added the white beads, what I had left, onto the tree as well. There's a lot of like little spots going on. I don't know what's going on here. So anyway, I did that, and I will show you what that looks like as well. And then of course I finished underneath, and I finished the stairs, and I'll show you around the whole foyer and how I tied everything together. I hope you like it. Okay, so these are the 12-inch pieces of ribbon that I looped and I put in with floral wire. These are the white icicles that I dangled from the tree. And these are the white beads. All right, so for those of you that are interested in the thought process of this, because I know some are, and how I put everything together, I'll just go through that with you. So, like always, the traditional tree, it has all of our keepsake ornaments on it, and it's a very special tree to us, and it's different from all the other ones because the other ones are just themed trees. This is, the theme of this is all the stuff that, our Christmas stuff that we cherish and love. All right, so now how do I tie it all together? So what I did, like I had said to you before, is Marianne reminded me about the white beads. So I put the white beads on the tree, and then those white beads coordinate with, it's hard to see them there, but those, see the white beads hanging from that garland up there, and then I put a red ball on the bottom of each. And then up here, you can see I put the white beads as well. So that repeats itself 3 times in the room. Then up on the top up there, I have those giant bulb lights, right? The lights right there. And then I repeated those lights down here amongst the toys underneath the tree. And then the toys are underneath the tree because I have the elves in the room. So it all has a little bit of that touch of playfulness with it. Then here on the railing, you see I used the red and the green and the silver, which is also on the interior of the tree, as well as poinsettias. And you see this green, these green curlicue things that I put here. And if you look up there, they're also at the top of the tree, as well as that post up there. And then here on the stairs, I have the poinsettia, and then if you notice, I added in that same color green in here so that it coordinates together with that. Over here, I have another elf with the book, because the idea was 'twas the night before Christmas, which we see right here, and may you never be too grown up to search the skies on Christmas Eve. Okay everybody, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, subscribe, it's free, and I'm going for my 20,000 on Christmas Day. And drop me a comment, and a thumbs up is always helpful. And I will be back probably tomorrow with, or the next day, with a little something that I'm doing in the kitchen. Okay everybody, hope everybody's doing well, and take care, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye-bye.